Booyakasha.
Hey, welcome back.
Welcome to number 3, the third instalment of our Workaway experience at Mai Duson Retreat.
Yes, so this morning just did a bit of raking and I did a bit of cleaning, so we had some guests coming.
Yep.
And now our second project for the third video is going to be fixing a pergola that's fallen down.
Yeah, which we'll show you now. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. We'll insert a picture of what it looked like before. But initially we thought we would repair it, but we're not. We're just going to start again.
Yeah.
So today we're just going to
Rip all this out.
Rip it all out and try and preserve the passion fruit plant.
Yeah, yeah. Okie pokey. So it's nice and clear down here, so we've got our ground basically prepped to start building on. All the bamboo is cleared, so we've moved it all over there. It's looking fresh.
So yesterday MD mentioned the potential of us going to a 4x4 off-road tournament today, and he's just given me the heads up that we're going somewhere secret at 3:30. So fingers crossed we're going to that, because that is way up my street, so I'm buzzing. Campsite's super busy, which is a nice change, isn't it?
Who is? I thought you said M.
The campsite's very busy.
Oh, yes.
We've had confirmation. We're going off-roading, baby. Quick interlude from the future. I made the off-road video a separate video because there was too much to show, so if you want to watch that, the link's in the description below. The next bit of footage you'll see is we went on a bit of an adventure on the way to the off-roading, so hope that makes sense. We're off.
Do people want to drive their motorbikes?
Yeah. Obviously.
Crazy.
Oh, this is sick. Yeah.
Yeah, when it gets a little bit clear.
It's absolutely beautiful.
So this is a big event.
Like a big event as well.
Durian Carnival.
Durian Carnival.
Watch Martha bouncing around. Whoa. There's been no car crashes, but all the steel has bent. The elephants do the damage. Oh, like that one? Yeah. Oh my gosh. All the local spots. You would never find this without Workaway, would you?
No.
Thanks, MD.
Yeah.
I bring one of my workers, Brian.
Yeah.
He stay here for 1 week.
Good morning. It's the next day and
Come on, wake up!
I went to bed quite late last night chatting to the guests, so we're a bit tired. So we need to put up a tarp in a campsite pitch that's already been made but doesn't have one. And then later on today we'll probably start cutting some bamboo down for the trellis, or whatever it's called, pergola. Come for the ride.
It's gonna be a wavy one.
Woo!
Come to collect the tarp, and there's this little fluffy guy on it. Hello?
You're not.
I am chivalrous, Martha.
You're not. It's not.
Ta-da!
Where is the tool going? On Ollie's lovely tool station holder. Oh, I got both of them.
Oh. I've just been given the best looking nasi lemak ever. So today we are going to collect all of the bamboo to build the new frame. Martha's got the big saw, and we're just going to try and get as much bamboo and clean it. Long, straight, thick, hopefully.
fresh.
That's what she said. So yeah, as much bamboo as we can to build the frame out of. Very busy down there. This is the bamboo in question. How many pieces of bamboo did we get? 5. And we got a friend, our Malaysian friend. Say hello.
Hello.
Another meal time. Another lot of food being delivered to us.
It's one of those days where we don't really do much because it's too hot. But
Yeah.
when you
We
just
can
sit
eat.
here, get food delivered, what else do you want?
So, as you've seen, we've made our own pitch, so they all have a nice name. So we're going to make a nice sign for us.
Out of this wood
The
here?
name we've chosen for our bird is... Oh, I do it more central than that.
No, because I then thought we could put Kingfisher here. Ollie and Martha, UK. Just an idea.
Okay. We've gone for Kingfisher, which is, in Malaysian, pakaka.
Pakaka.
What do you want?
Have a look. That's right.
Nice little crate. I've got yogurt and melon.
No beer around here, so I've got to treat myself somehow. Hey. So many.
And that's why I want to talk to you about. So I'm taking those off. They're in the boot. I think it's ready to go right. Absolutely. We've got a very busy day today. We've got to get all of the cars.
And did you come to Malaysia?
This Mai Duson Retreat.
Yeah. We did eat dinner, but we didn't show you because we're fat. Me and Martha are deep in thought. I think we've come to the conclusion we're probably going to stay a little bit longer.
I think so. Want to finish the pagoda and...
And it's also great.
Yeah.
And MDs are really looking after us, so having a little photo with the friends we made. That's it for the night. We had a photo with our friends. Insert a picture here. And we'll see you tomorrow.
It's the next day.
It's the next day. Plan for day is...
Rake, because we've got guests and we've got more coming.
Yeah.
Then put our sign up.
Yeah.
Move rooms back to the house.
Yeah.
And then if we've got enough energy, we will maybe chop some bamboo for what we caught yesterday. Caught, like it's a fish. And then...
we caught a live bamboo, it's a big one.
And then, yeah, see if we can do a little bit of that.
Boom. Found a little friend as well. I'll show you. Woi. Mad.
Right, task number 1 complete. Rickety done.
Yeah, it's been exactly the same as the first video, so you're welcome.
Yeah, it's really, really interesting and fun to watch. It's weeding time. Sun's coming along. Just drawing the England flag over there. Funny story, we did all this and we didn't check the other names of the campsites. There is already one called Pakaka, so we're going to make a new sign
For the other campsite.
for the other campsite bit and call it something else because we didn't want to get rid of this because we spent ages making the pink and stuff. So
we're making the sign to go on our pitch, and we're cutting these plastic bottles and we'll shrink them on the bamboo so it protects the bamboo from moisture.
yeah, keep it lasting longer. Great idea.
That's not my idea, obviously.
MD's idea, obviously.
See?
Oh, it's so quick.
Yep.
Oh,
That's
perfectly
so
done.
clever.
So we wouldn't have done that when we made the trellis. So now when we make it.
Yes, now you know
Now
how
we
to work
know.
it out.
Okay, so today's next job is to put the sign up.
Yeah.
We're going to make it there. The frame's up. She's a bit wonky. Just going to add some slats in, aren't we?
Yeah.
Hooray!
Now the campsite pitch is done, we Have some before and after photos for you.
So we've had a shower, feeling human again, aren't we, Martha?
Oh, so much better.
So much better. She's cracking on with the next sign. Going out for an evening stroll.
Nice.
Very nice, productive day.
Yeah, I've had a really good day today actually. We've done
Yeah.
lots of medium tasks consistently, which has been good.
Yeah, it's been lovely. Still warm?
Yeah, 5 bananas. Oh yeah.
Good morning, Martha.
Good morning.
The next day. Of course, we've had a camping delivery of coffee and nasi lemak
And curry puffs.
and curry puffs. The plan for today is...
Start getting that pagoda up. As you would have seen, we learned how to do the whole plastic bottle things around the bamboo to make it last. So we need to do that.
One thing worth noting that in Malaysia, they sell everything in little plastic bags. So they won't sell like a disposable cup, they'll sell you just a bag of warm coffee, which to Europeans is pretty crazy. But
Yeah, it tastes good though.
yeah. First thing we're doing today is we're gonna get the verticals in, which means we're gonna mark and cut them, get the plastic bottles on the bottom, and then dig however many holes we need to build this first side of the wall. Once we've done that, we'll do the same on the other side. We've got our pieces of bamboo, just need to mark and cut them now. That's easier.
That's a lot easier. Lovely, jubbly. Yeah. All 10 posts perfectly cut. That was so much easier than sawing, which is what we did for the wall, and took absolutely ages.
Yeah. Next step is to prep the bottoms all with plastic bottles. So alright, they're all done up until there. Very happy with that. We're just having to scavenge some more water bottles because we've run out. But Martha's found a bucket load over there, so. Okay, so we've scavenged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more, which is exactly the number we need. And we've cut the tops and the bottoms off so that these can slide over the previous bottles, and we can double it up so they can be buried. But yeah, Martha's having some lunch, or brekkie. With a new sign as well. We haven't showed you this. This is a type of owl in Malaysia. It's quite a rare one that nobody really knows, but still nice.
Put some nasi lemak on it.
And there you have it. Smashed it. Next thing we need to do is just put some duct tape around this collar here to stop the water getting in. And they're ready to go in the ground. Whoop.
Okay, next steps are get this line straight and then also put some holes in the ground and put our first sticks of bamboo in. Thank you very much to Ollie. The posts are done. I didn't help much because I'm not strong enough to even get it into the ground. So. Okay, next posts need to be put in, just like here. And we're just measuring them up, making sure they're fairly even to the other side.
Yeah, it's not perfectly square, is it?
It's not perfectly square, but it'll work.
Alright, holes dug for all the walls. Just for today we're going to leave the holes bare and then we'll fill them up and level all the posts tomorrow, won't we, Mats?
Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Yeah, well, it'll be fine.
Good morning, guys!
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. We're going to chop some bamboo.
Yeah, it's the next day.
Made quick progress for them.
Yeah, they were much easier.
Yeah.
Be a bit more tactical.
Use the machete this time.
Yeah.
Alright, Just got to carry the other, how many? 4?
4, 5.
Bamboo's chopped.
Yep.
We're just going to get rained on for a bit, which is kind of good timing.
Yeah, we literally just finished it, started pouring it down.
And
so.
also wet soil will be good to compact and get these level.
Yeah, that's very true.
You're a gem.
Right, had a nice break and going to carry it on our pagoda. Next step is we're going to go get some stones out the river so we can put them around the bamboo at the bottom to make it even stronger.
Yeah. Stones are quiet. There we go, all nice and straight. Look at that, beauty. And all tamped down around the bases. Happy?
Yeah.
Nice and straight. There's one problem on, which is this one, which is quite bent all the way. So I've just tried to like level it up as best I can. But I think they're looking pretty sexy. Yeah. See down the line? Pretty straight for bamboo. Martha's made us a cuzza.
Leftover cuzza.
And the roti we made in the video, first video.
Good morning again.
So yesterday we didn't really film much in the afternoon because we just chilled out mainly. But we're carrying on with the pagoda today and we hope to get the structure finished.
Yeah.
So first thing we're going to do is put the horizontals across there, leaving a bit of gap at the top for the bamboo, the cross slats to fit on top of. So 2 horizontals and then cross slats. And today we also need to put 2 extra posts in here because extra strength and support. I think the next steps are to put some horizontal slats in that way and that way. And I also want to brace the corners up diagonally just to take a bit of wobble out of it. So it's a little bit wobbly. But it's going to be, isn't it? A bit like this. Martha's making some noodles. We smashed the pagoda, just a couple more beams to put in and it's pretty much done. And funny story, last night me and Martha got up at like 4:30 in the morning to go and pick the durian off the campsite because we didn't want anyone else to have them. And just in one day, this is how many we've collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 durians.
Noodles done.
Always sing. I'm just going to pop to the shop to get some 100 plus best drink in the world. Well, second best drink in the world. That is Curry Sweat, but I'm going to give the man in the shop a durian because I really like him. You like durian?
Oh!
I bought you a present.
Oh!
For you.
Thank you.
I'll put it inside, yeah?
Okay.
That's the end of this vlog. We have mostly finished the pagoda, which we set out to do.
Yeah.
We've also done a lot of other bits, but we're going to do one more video at the campsite, which is going to be like our finishing touches on the pagoda, the camping pitch, this, that and the other. So, hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, dudes.